morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The RSI has transitioned sharply into the negative area. Bitcoin has remained muted in the last session. Stochastic is heating up and is currently overbought. The price of gold has added 1.7% in the last two sessions. The ultimate oscillator is strengthening and is now giving a neutral signal. The price of crude oil has lost 1.2% in the last session. The ATR is heating up and is now giving a high volatility signal.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
U.S. stocks climbed higher following further progress with stimulus talks and after an impressive round of economic data. De Beer Group CEO said that he believed the U.S. election would bolster the price of Bitcoin and that Bitcoin will replace gold as the ultimate financial safe haven. After a lackluster debate between the two U.S. presidential candidates, the greenback continued to weaken against the major currencies.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Eurozone CPI will be released at 700 GMT, the U.S. average hourly earnings at 10:30 GMT, the U.S. participation rate at 10:30 GMT, the U.S. unemployment rate at 10:30 GMT, the U.S. non-farm payrolls at 10:30 GMT, and the U.S. factory orders at 1200 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.